Howdy. Okay, so our dryer stops, and I'm trying to tell my wife that I'm going to fix it, but I can't remember the name of the dryer. So she tells me to use the association technique. So she asks, where does Katie live? I say Franklin Park. Wrong. Well, what is the name? Remember Kendall. Katie lives in Kendall Park. Kendall Park. Oh, okay. So what does our dryer have to do with where Katie lives? Again, remember Kendall. Only less Kendalls. No, more Kendalls. No. Kenmore. Oh, yeah. Yes, it's a Kenmore dryer. All that to figure out what kind of dryer I'm working on. Anyhow, that little thingy there is a fuse. It's a thermal fuse, and it died. I started looking on the legend or the schematic cheat sheet, and I'm trying to figure it out, and I figured out what the heck. Let me see if someone on YouTube has a video on it, and somebody did, and he said one of the things that goes out is this fuse or thermistor fuse, and you can see that I have continuity there. The old one did not have continuity, so it would not work. And this fuse goes down here in this little hole. This little screw holds it on, and you just plug a couple of wires onto it, one there, one here, and plug it back in, put the panel back on, and you're back in business. Alright, that's all I got. It's just a quickie, and maybe it could help somebody out. Ciao.